In the year 2044, the world of fashion had undergone a transformation that was both radical and inevitable. The industry, once notorious for its environmental impact and wastefulness, had evolved into a beacon of sustainability and technological innovation. The question was no longer, what will we be wearing? But rather, what will we be? The dawn of the 21st century had seen the rise of fast fashion, a trend that was as fleeting as it was damaging. The industry was responsible for 10% of the world's carbon emissions, more than all international flights and maritime shipping combined. But as the effects of climate change became increasingly apparent, the need for a sustainable alternative became urgent. In response, the fashion industry began to embrace the concept of circular fashion. Clothes were no longer seen as disposable items, but as resources to be reused and recycled. Brands started to offer repair services for their products, encouraging customers to extend the lifespan of their clothes. They also introduced take-back programs, where customers could return their old clothes to be recycled into new ones. This shift towards circularity not only reduced waste, but also created a new relationship between consumers and their clothes. Fashion was no longer about owning the latest trends, but about cherishing and caring for the clothes we had. But the transformation of the fashion industry was not just about sustainability. It was also about harnessing the power of technology. The advent of smart textiles opened up a world of possibilities. Clothes were no longer just about aesthetics. They became functional and interactive. One of the most popular innovations was color-changing clothes. Using thermochromic dyes, designers created clothes that could change color with the touch of a button, or in response to changes in temperature. This meant that one garment could serve multiple looks, reducing the need for a large wardrobe. Another breakthrough was the development of wearable technology. Clothes were embedded with sensors and devices that could monitor health, track fitness, and even connect to the internet. This integration of fashion and technology blurred the line between clothing and wearable devices. It also raised questions about privacy and data security, leading to new regulations and ethical considerations. But perhaps the most revolutionary development was the rise of 3D printing in fashion. Designers could now create intricate designs and custom-fit clothes with the click of a button. This democratized fashion, allowing anyone with a 3D printer to become a designer. It also reduced waste, as clothes were made to order, eliminating the need for excess inventory. The future of fashion was not just about what we wore, but also about how we shopped. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, Arkansas, transformed the retail experience. Customers could try on clothes virtually, reducing the need for physical fitting rooms. They could also see how clothes were made, fostering transparency and accountability in the industry. In 2044, the fashion industry was a far cry from what it had been at the start of the century. It had become a force for good, driving sustainability and technological innovation. But it was also a reflection of the times, embodying the values and challenges of the era. The future of fashion was not just about clothes. It was about redefining our relationship with what we wear, transforming it from a source of waste and pollution into a tool for sustainability and innovation. It was about embracing the potential of technology, not just to create new trends, but to improve our lives and protect our planet. In the future, we would not just be wearing clothes. We would be wearing our values, our creativity, and our commitment to a better world. The question was no longer, what will we be wearing? But rather, what will we be? And the answer was clear. We would be conscious, innovative, and sustainable. Subscribe.